So the question is, what is the fractional decrease in a radius, whereas the bulk modulus of an object is given as B, whereas the pressure is given as P. It's known that the bulk modulus can be defined as B is equal minus pressure applied divided by fractional change in a volume, which is del V divided by T. Whereas P is representing the uniform pressure applied, del V is representing the change in a volume, and V is representing the initial volume. When we are rearranging this equation, we will get del V divided by V is equal minus P divided by P. So the volume of a sphere is always equal to 4 pi 3 pi r cubed. So here we can say the volume del V over V will be equal to 3 times of del R divided by R with related to radius. So again, we can equalize this with pressure. So we can write 3 times del R divided by R will be equal to minus P divided by B. So the question here is about fractional decrease in a radius, which means we are calculating del R divided by R. So when we are rearranging an equation, we will get the answer of minus P divided by 3B. So here it's already given in the question, it is decreasing. So the negative sign is also representing the compression only. So we can write del R divided by R will be equal to pressure divided by 3 times of bulk modulus. So based on this, we can say the correct answer for this question is option C here.